Welcome to sessions on Python tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us explore sorting the Python dictionaries. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution.
Hello, we will be discussing today about sorting the dictionary. I have already discussed about dictionary, about this particular data type, and you have seen the utility of the dictionary data type. Now, we will be discussing about how to sort a dictionary. Earlier, we have sorted tuples, earlier we have sorted lists, but then we have not sorted dictionary yet. So, now we are going to sort a dictionary. So, for that, what we need to do? First, we need to declare a dictionary. So I will urge you to type along with me so that you can also practice this. So I am starting. D equals to, first we are supposed to provide the key. So while we are providing the key, we will be writing, let's say n. So value and key and value pair. M, let it be 4. Okay. Comma m n is the key and the corresponding value, let it be 7. Okay. In between, I am providing another key which is O, and for that the corresponding value I am providing is, let's say, let the corresponding value be 9. Okay. Then after that, I am providing a new key value pair which is MNOP, and then let's say it be Q, and for that the value be 4, 9, 7 are the 3 values, let it be 6. Okay. So I have provided the 4 different keys corresponding to 4 different keys. I have provided 4 different values for the dictionary, right? So now let us see whether the dictionary is formed or not. Okay. So I will hit the run button and you will see the dictionary is here for you. Okay. Now if we would like to see what are the keys of dictionary for a revision, so print keys, if I type here and hit run, print d dot keys, run, and I will get the keys. Again, if I copy this value and put it here and write key, instead of key, if I write values and then hit run here, so obviously I will get the value. Okay, I will get the value. Yeah, here are the values of the particular dictionary. So I am getting the keys, I am getting the values. Now my aim is to sort the keys and value, because as you can see that the keys are also not sorted, that is, they are not in order. The values are obviously also not sorted. Okay, for that what we need to do, we can do it in 2 ways. Either we can sort by the keys or we can sort by the values of the dictionary. So if we are trying to sort by the key, what will be the step for that? So we will be writing print, okay, and we are providing the heading sorting by keys, okay, and then we will be providing a tab for this, and then after that comma, if you remember the sort command, sorted, and we are using zip here. I have shown you the use of zip function in my last upload, and so in zip I will be typing d dot keys and d comma d dot values, right? So d dot keys and d dot values. Okay, so from this, let us see what the result is getting printed. Okay, so it is sorting by keys. As you can see, M, N, O, Q, right? So M, N, O, Q, now they are sorted. Earlier it was M, O, N, Q. Now it is sorted. All right. Then I will be sorting with values. So I have to do nothing but to copy and paste this command and change here these elements. That is, in place of keys, I will be typing values. In place of values, it is but obvious I will be typing keys. Okay, and then I am hitting the run button. Once I am hitting the run button, what I will be getting? I will be getting it sorted by, okay, one more thing we need to do, sorted by values. Now once we are typing sorted by values, so we will be getting sorted by values 4 comma n, 6 comma q, 7 comma n. As you can see that all the values, I mean all the entire dictionary is sorted now by value. So 4, 6, 7, 9, these are in ascending order and these are in descending order. So this gives you the entire feel that how you need to sort the dictionary, right? So once this is done, if now we are trying to get something like this, okay, let's say if we are again copying this and changing some of the commands in it, for example, if we are changing print, in place of sorted, we will be using another function which is max. Why are we using this? So if we change here printing maximum value, okay, so let's see what will be the output. So what we need to do, we just need to hit the sorry, twice it is written, okay, run button, and once we hit the run button, we will get the max value, right? So what is the max value? That is 9 and it is corresponding to the key which is O. So that is clearly being printed for you. Okay. And if we would again like to have the minimum value, so what we need to do, we will just copy and paste it, and here we will change this to minimum, right? And then here we will write min values, okay, and let's see whether we get the correct results or not. Here is the minimum value for you and the corresponding key for you. So M4, as you can see here, is having the minimum value, isn't it? Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.